Today we're running our very first virtual production fellowship here in Wales, which is very exciting. It's a 9-month program that we've developed at Final Pixel based on evidence from our virtual productions as well as education and the massive skills gaps in the industry. And essentially the 9-month program helps to skill up 16 fellows across 4 different major departments: our production, our virtual art department, our filming in a volume, which are essentially your directors, your DOPs, and our running a volume, which are all of your technical crew, like your technical artists, your underreel operators, VP supervisors. And essentially to make sure that everybody understands the entire pipeline, understands the technology, and understands the novel workflows that are now being required in film and high-end TV. We are quite specific around the type of talent that we're looking for. Typically, it's mid-senior level talent who have been working in the industry for quite some time. They're interested in upskilling, they're looking to refine their skills, understand virtual production so it expands their portfolio of projects. People are coming in from different industries like games, live events, and broadcast, because again, these interoperable technologies are starting to bleed across different adjacent sector industries. And what's really great is that when you train up a skill for that, now it just gives that talent more opportunities to work across different mediums.